Hello people of YouTube, and today we'll be showing you how to do motion tracking. So this isn't putting an object on something and making it follow, although you may be able to do it this way. And we're only going to use the edit tab, so hopefully that makes things easier. Anyways, to describe motion tracking, basically my mouse here, you can see it go from Davinci Resolve all the way down to Undertow. And what we're going to do is we're going to follow the mouse with our camera. Of course, doing it this far zoomed out makes no sense. So for this you do have to zoom in, which if you don't know how to do, it's over here. Now, first things first, turn on the transform box thing. It makes this a lot easier. So, now that you're here in the edit tab, you have that turned on. Put the two nodes for zoom and position on in the very first frame, and then just zoom to where your mouse is, which if you do it in a corner like I did here, then you get the outside, so you'll have to zoom in even more, which shouldn't be too big a deal. Just gotta zoom in further, and now it looks basically normal, but we'd want to get just the mouse, so maybe around 7. And now the mouse should be the center of our screen. That way it looks like we're actually following it. It should always be in the center of the screen if you're following something. Then you would just move a frame forward with the arrow keys, and you would simply follow the mouse with moving it. The mouse hasn't moved, so I'm going to have to move forward until the mouse moves, which starts here, which takes a while. But as soon as the mouse moves, then we start to move the camera. I think we're too far zoomed in right now for it to show the center piece, but if you do this in the middle, you have the center follow it. We don't have to do that since we're on the corner. But then we just keep moving our background video with the mouse. That's why we had the transform box turned on. And we just hit the right arrow key each time to move forward a frame, and then a time skip later. So, quick side note, I just wanted to mention this is what I was talking about earlier, but this is the centerpiece. I believe I did make one mistake, or it's not really a mistake, but it's just kind of a quality of life thing. If you move this centerpiece to where your mouse was, or at the beginning of your clip, then you can just track it with this, I think. I don't know if that moves the background video or not, but that's how I did it in my I Beat a Pro at CSGO video, and it was very helpful, very fast, a lot faster than this. I got a long clip, so oh well. But anyways, back to the time lapse. And then when you're done following, of course you probably want to make another node, and then another node after that, just so you know, to be sure. And you can set it back to normal to zoom out again, and that should leave it for the rest of the clip as well. So now let's see what we've managed to accomplish. However, let me just real quick put in a back piece. Okay, just for making it look better, I put in this little, I extended the clip a little bit, that way I could make it zoom into it. That's not what this video is about though, so let's watch the motion tracking that we've managed to do after so long. I don't know why that took so long, but very easy, very simple. Now that was kind of stuttery, but to be fair, I did go slow in the clip, and that probably messes with it. If you're going fast, it's probably better if you're moving your mouse fast, to be honest. And it did track the whole way through pretty well, and it doesn't look half bad. If I did a fast mouse movement, it would have been nice, but we did everything we needed. We got everything we wanted. We got it to go back out to normal as well, which isn't necessarily needed, and everything's good. So if this helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, you know, there's more tutorials coming, Unless you're watching this like a year in the future, then there's probably not. But hope this helps, and goodbye.